The camera glides above the sea while highlighting the concept of an offshore airport constructed on artificial land.
Crowded coastal cities fade into the open sea, explaining why land scarcity pushed China offshore.
If we trace along this contour, we bypass the unstable sediment, and it keeps us clear of the main shipping routes. This looks like the safest point.
Drilling ships bore into the ocean floor to test soil strength and stability.
Graphics show how deep water posed major challenges for foundation construction. Massive dredgers suck sand from the seabed and spray it into containment zones.
Heavy rollers compress reclaimed land to prevent future sinking.
Drainage pipes are inserted to remove trapped water from the soil.
The tilt meter data shows a clear shift right here.
Yes, and the laser scan confirms the settlement rate is accelerating. We should initiate the warning protocol.
Blueprints show runway length, width, and aircraft load capacity.
Steel rebar grids strengthen the runway against massive aircraft loads.
Laser-guided machines ensure the runway remains perfectly flat.
Designs reveal how the runway withstands typhoons and giant waves.
Massive wave breakers surround the airport to absorb ocean energy.
Advanced drainage channels prevent water buildup during heavy rain.
Bright white and yellow markings guide pilots during takeoff and landing.
Powerful LED lights are installed for night and low visibility operations. Terminal buildings are anchored firmly into reclaimed land.
Look, it says the gate changed to 22.
Okay, let's head that way now.
Underwater pipelines deliver aviation fuel safely to the airport. Backup power plants ensure non-stop airport operations.
Fiber optic cables connect the floating airport to the mainland.
Specialized fire trucks and foam systems prepare for emergencies.
Engineers install systems to protect marine life around the airport. Flight paths are optimized to reduce noise impact on cities. Advanced radars track storms and wind patterns over the ocean.
Heavy load tests simulate aircraft landings.
Clear evacuation plans are designed for ocean-based emergencies. Sensors measure impact forces during landing trials.
Maintain condition delta. The simulated wind shear is exceeding limits on runway 27.
Evacuate the regional jets to the main terminal. What is that blip on the thermal scan? Analyze Sector 4.
Unauthorized access detected. Locking down the area now.
Bridges and tunnels connect the airport to the mainland.
Hangars are built to service large commercial aircraft.
Maps highlight the airport's role in regional aviation dominance.
This demonstrates a leap forward in mega infrastructure development.
Absolutely, the integration of the high-speed rail is...
The surface friction looks good, and the lighting calibration is complete.
It meets all EASA requirements. The runway is approved for commercial use.
Look, the gate information is right over there.
Oh, good. I was getting a little lost.
The luminance on the guidance sign is lower than the threshold, according to the tablet.
Yes, I'm logging the discrepancy now. We need to check the wiring harness.
Marine sensors track water quality around the airport.
These strategies ensure data integrity across the next 3 decades. How are we accounting for the projected climate variables here? This section covers the new international terminal and the 2 additional runways.
And the cargo logistics hub fits in this quadrant by phase 3.
We've aligned the new runway to optimize traffic flow.
And the terminal expansion, does that include the high-speed rail link we discussed?
Concept art shows future floating infrastructure worldwide.
The success of the project hinged on our adaptive architectural strategies. We learned that flexibility is...
China's methods attract international interest. A recap of storms, depth, and structural challenges. A timeline shows years of planning and building.
Smooth daily operations prove the airport's reliability.
Experts discuss how this changes future airport design.
The airport stands as a symbol of modern engineering.
Key takeaways, summary highlights, record-breaking efficiency gains, sustainable material integration.
The ocean runway glows at sunset, reflecting human ambition.